This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use kickback points. First, let's understand what kickback points are. These are loyalty rewards given by many programs, often with 1 point equaling 1 cent. You accumulate them by making purchases at specific stores or using particular services. It's a straightforward way to get a little something back from your regular spending, adding up over time to significant savings or rewards. Knowing their value helps you appreciate their benefit. Now, let's talk about how to earn those valuable kickback points. Most programs award 1 point for every dollar you spend on eligible items. Keep an eye out for special promotions, which might offer bonus points, sometimes even 5 times the standard earning rate. Always check your program's website or mobile application to monitor your current point balance. This helps you see your progress and plan your next reward. Once you've accumulated enough points, it's time to redeem them for exciting rewards. You can typically use your points for discounts on future purchases, exchange them for gift cards, or even select merchandise. The redemption process is often simple, available through an online portal or directly at the checkout counter. Remember, many programs have a minimum redemption threshold, often around 500 points, so be sure to check your program's specific rules. To truly get the most out of your kickback points, consider these maximizing strategies. Try combining your points with ongoing sales or coupons to achieve even greater savings on your purchases. Always be on the lookout for limited-time offers that can significantly boost your point accumulation. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your program's terms and conditions. This ensures you're always aware of any updates or new ways to benefit from your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.